Good morning, class.
Good morning.
So we want to go over our career and college readiness, and today we're going to talk about manufacturing. Anybody know what manufacturing is? No, good. So manufacturing is the creation of products, using equipment, machines,
MKey creates a variety of military products, obviously textiles. It supports our troops in multiple different ways when it comes to tents, tarps, plate carriers, and different accessories, as well as aircraft components.
First of all, it's USA made. Things that we make is for the military. And so helping the military is helping any other family in here and keeping us safe here.
We also make items for helicopters that go inside that insulate against noise and weather. And it's so cool to watch that process where we go out and we go to a helicopter and we template it. We bring those templates back, we cut a product out, we then go back and install that. When we're done, we have a good finished product.
MKey gave me the opportunity to work with software and technology I'm familiar with and pursue a career in engineering.
My family work here. I came to America when I was 19. They referred me to come here to work. I love to work at MKey. I love the owner. It's the best company.
What's cool about manufacturing is ingenuity, creating new things, and building new products for the world, making people happy.
When you see the product that you made, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel like you contributed to helping our Air Force.
What's so cool about manufacturing? Everything. Without manufacturing, we don't have products to live.
So that's all I have for today, class. After you pick your manufacturers, make sure you send that over to me so I can approve it before you start your project.